Welcome back to the series of personal development and human values. Today we will talk about conflict management. What is conflict and how to manage it? What conflict is? Conflict is when there is clashes of interest. My interest clashes with your interest, then we both are in the conflict condition. There are different types of conflict based on the different theories. But here we will discuss 4 types of conflicts. What are these 4 types? These are interpersonal and intrapersonal, intergroup and intragroup. What are the sources which generate the conflict? Generally we divide in 4 sources, that is change in relationship, power struggle, life changes and poor communication. These are the 4 major sources of conflict. And then there are some who define the sources of conflicts are majorly 2. One is material interest and another is value and belief. So all the conflicts can be divided in 2 major sources. So what material interest is? Material interest covers territory, identity, resource access, preemption, retaliation and economic conflicts. And others where the source is value and beliefs, they can be having difference of ideology, religious and ethnic claims. They are the major 2 sources of conflicts. Earlier 60s in 1965, Daniel Katz, he created a typology that distinguishes 3 main sources of conflict. That is economic, value and power. So different persons are giving their different opinions. Now, we have talked about the conflict. Then what is conflict management? So conflict management actually goes as the practice of being able to identify and handle conflict sensibly, fairly and efficiently. And what are the different methods to deal it? So method to deal or conflict management styles, you can call it. So according to Kenneth W. Thomas and Ralph H. Killman, the conflict management styles are described in 5 different types. And it is depending on your assertive and cooperative attitude and behavior. But these 5 will not fall for the management of the family or relationship. You have to go for either compromise or collaboration. And in collaboration, we have few steps for that, for collaboration. The first is talk before you are angry and agree a strategy. And the second one is walk away when you are angry. Third one is don't try to discuss difficult things when you are tired or hungry. And the fourth one is always be prepared to apologize. And the last one is listen and discuss. So always avoid conflict, and if you are not in the position to avoid, manage the conflict. So this is all about the conflict management. Goodbye. Have a happy and healthy life ahead.